are going to make breakfast burritos this morning. Time for our coffee. A little pan here. We're going to cook the egg in this first. I'm going to give it a little bit of spray on it. And then we're just going to dump our egg into that. And this is just a ham, egg, and cheese burrito. Okay, let's get the egg cooked. Set up the air fryer. Get that. I'm going to set this to about 350. Sure like that touch. Okay, and we're going to put it on for about 3 minutes. I don't know if that's enough or not. We'll go ahead and start it. Now it's going to preheat. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, it's ready and says add food. So now we're going to set our egg in there, let it cook it up. About 3 minutes. We'll be back. Well, wasn't quite ready there, so we're going to add another 2 minutes on it. We'll see what it looks like in a minute. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey, I believe it's ready. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Put this on here. Yeah, we'll get it lined out here. A little bit of cheese. There we do. Yeah, we'll bring it up here. Hold it that way. Yeah, they're not very long, but they'll be good. Add the food. It's in there. Start. Oh, it's going to do that on its own. 2 minutes. We'll be back. All right, it's ready. Get them out of there. Let's see what they look like inside. Let's look at this one. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Now, I think we need a little bit of homemade salsa. We'll open it up. Oh, hear that freshness. Yeah. Looky there. Now that is going to be good. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. All right, let's give it a taste test. With homemade salsa. That's pretty good, made in the air fryer. Really good, the homemade salsa. Thanks for watching.